Hey, welcome back to the workshop. Six-pack garage here, Phoenix, Arizona. So these are the LT1 heads off of my 2015 Cadillac Escalade. Took them off to get access to the lifters. Had one bad lifter. The roller on the lifter went bad. Very common issue on these, apparently. So I was watching some other guy's video, and he recommended this stuff for removing all of this like red shit that's on the head gaskets that comes off. I did this head already. I'll do a little more cleaning on it. I'll probably clean the combustion chambers a little bit, but this one just came off. So this stuff works really good. I ordered 2 cans off of Amazon. This can's not worth a shit. Nothing happens. So I'm gonna try to return that. But this is how it's supposed to work. You basically pull the trigger a little bit and you use the little brush to apply it to the surface that you want to clean, and it kind of like it eats away at this this red rubbery stuff, whatever that stuff is. It's kind of annoying, but you really don't want to use anything aggressive on here, because you know then you're going to mess up your sealing surface. I'm not getting these machined. You know, this is a grocery getter, daily driven hoopty, not some race car. So this is being done on a budget, trying to get it done as cheaply as possible. So yeah, I'm not getting any machining work done, but instructions tell you to let it sit for 15 minutes, but I can already see that it's kind of working. I got this from O'Reilly's. It's a plastic scraper instead of using razor blades. This is just plastic, and it looks pretty nice. You don't really have to worry about scratching the hell out of your surfaces, but it does a good job at taking this stuff off. Now, I didn't let it sit for 15 minutes. I don't have that kind of patience, honestly. So I'm just starting to work on it now as it's soaking in, and I'll just go over it a few times. I'll have to do the same thing on engine block on the deck surfaces. But yeah, if you're doing this job or head gaskets on a LS or LT motor, highly recommend this stuff here, Permatex, and then plastic razor blade, and it will end up looking like this. So yeah, anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.